The placings for the top two positions in a recent race at Caymanas Park have been reversed following a ruling by the Jamaica Racing Commission on Thursday. Spencer Darlington has the details on this as well as our racing preview.
Traditional Lady with Tevin Foster aboard had passed the post first ahead of Don Vincenzo under Ryan Lewis in the native-bred 3-year-old maiden special weight contest over a mile on September 24. However, Traditional Lady was later disqualified and placed second for causing interference to Don Vincenzo in the final 50 meters of the race. The connections of Traditional Lady subsequently appealed that decision by the race day operation stewards. On Thursday, the stewards' decision was overruled by the JRC Board of Commissioners, with Traditional Lady being reinstated as the winner of the event. Meanwhile, a 3-year-old and up overnight allowance contest over 5 furlongs round will take the spotlight on Saturday's 9-race card at Caymanas Park. The down-in-class 6-year-old bay gelding God of Love, to be ridden by Robert Hardball Halladine, is the 8-5 anti-post favourite. God of Love had his last victory in this class on May 21, also going 5 furlongs round, and with no other speed ball in the race, the Fitzgerald Richard Strained charge is expected to return to winning ways at a level where he's very comfortable. His biggest challenge should come from Laban with champion jockey Anthony Thomas and generational the mount of apprentice Jordan Barrett. This race is slated for 4:15 p.m. First post is noon. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Spencer.